How about we use VLOOKUP to look up our taxes? Brad Williams, Excel Prime. This is a snap. You know VLOOKUP. We look left and we find the answer to the right. Here we go. We have an income, random between. It could be anything, up to 750 grand. We have our taxes. This is pretty basic stuff. This is just kind of made up. It's not, by all means, it is not applicable to anything in reality. So don't think this is the 2022 tax rate. No, this is purely an example. Do not use this for anything other than this tutorial. Do I need any more clarification on that? Here, random tax rate. It's going to be anywhere between, it's not random, it's, we're looking up. If our tax rate is to 22%, okay, the tax rate can be anywhere between 0 and 40. That's one of our VLOOKUPs. VLOOKUP based on this income, what is our tax rate? VLOOKUP G4. Taxes, what's our taxes? Name range is C5 to D8. C5 to D8. We don't need to include this verbiage over here. What are we doing? Column 2. Based on one, what? What is that? An approximate match. Remember, 1 is true, 0 is false. Keep that in mind. It's 33%. What's our taxes due? A times B is equal to, well, here it is. Just G5 times G4. That's it. Simple, simple, simple. If you need to read up on, again, VLOOKUP, knock yourself out. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. See you soon.